welcome to Brenna's Bargains. So exciting news, we have the laundry soap on clearance for 10% off. These are on end caps. I've noticed this on end caps. I looked back on my phone. I took these pictures around March 10th. I was kind of shocked it was that far back. It wasn't marking down at the time. It was normal price. And I thought, wow. So I noticed I was watching other YouTubers. And I think her name was Sadie with the receipts. And I noticed on her videos, or she was on a live or something. And I noticed that she had soaps all on the bottom of her aisle. And I said, girl, watch out for the laundry soap. The laundry soap's going to go on clearance, because if you see the laundry soaps all on the aisles, that's a clear indication that they're going to go on clearance really soon. And I remember taking the pictures and I was like, wow, so exciting news. Exciting news. These are all the pictures that I took way back then, but we do have a list. So this list is coming up, and some of these things on these pictures I noticed were not on the list. So, I might have to go back and add to this video and make sure I have a nice clear picture of it so we can maybe show you the actual UPCs. But this is going to go in the clearance aisle. So these are clearance markdown. So these are great items, especially when you see a coupon. So if you want to, you can wait on the soap and wait till it's on the next clearance event. But I have a feeling it's not going to be for another month or so. Maybe longer. I'm not positive. So on the clearance event. So you never know with Dollar General. It changes year to year. Usually it's January, March, and then June. And this year is already out of whack. Because we just had a clearance event a month ago. So I'm not even positive when the next one will be. But here is the list. And I will post it on my Facebook group to make it a little bit more clear. And then, but here is the video. So if you could also watch this on your TV or your computer, and then you can see this a lot bigger if you need better visuals, just to help you out. But here is a list, and then I did separate the coupons just because eventually these coupons will expire. And I want to make sure that when it does go on the clearance event, you can look back on these and see if they're still available, maybe during the clearance event. So, most likely we'll have slim selections probably by the time we get to the clearance event. But that's why I separate the coupons with the deals, just because these coupons, some of them will expire in a week or two. So, I did want to keep you that. But if you want to, you can grab some of these items right now. And especially if there's a coupon on it, it can be a really great deal. So I did see a couple of them that are really great deals. They'll be $1 off, and they'll, some of them will go all the way down to from $7 to $5 and things like that. So there are some good deals in here. That's why I did separate the coupons. So make sure you check it out. And it does say deals on it on the bottom corner. So you could see that. It'll say deals available. And that's when you know there's a coupon on it. So even if you punch this in later on, you punch in your code later, you can see if there's a deal available at that time. Because every week it switches. Like one week will be gained, the next week will be tied. So yeah, just keep that in mind and check it out and see if it's available in your area. Love laundry deals because laundry soap is so high right now. I did remember getting last year a bunch of laundry soap, and I think it was around March last year. So like I said, everything was a little out of whack last year compared to this year. But so this year seems like a little, I thought last year was delayed, but it seems like this year is a little bit even more delayed. But yes, awesome. So I'm going to stop rambling on, and I'll play some music, and we'll talk in a little bit. Okay, so that's a wrap for the laundry soap. We also have a little bit of feminine products, which is awesome. So definitely check out your end caps, scope your stores out, check out your clearance aisle, and keep your eye on your clearance aisle because there's new markdowns coming. And also, I do have a short list of some soaps that are going on. I think it'll be Aussie and maybe Tresemme. So if you want to see that, let me know in the comments below. But definitely check out your clearance section. This is probably an older picture, but we'll see you on the next video. Have a good day. Take care. God bless. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.